Hello sir, myself Ratnesh Maurya. My fourth question is operation on sets of image, arithmetic operation, logical operation, geometric operation, statistical operation and image interpolation. I am going for the first part, arithmetic operation. Now for the arithmetic operation for subtraction, here for I am subtracting the two image as I'm sir importing the CV2 and for numpy and creating the shortcut as num and p. Now I'm reading the two image 1 and image 2, and after that I'm applying the CV2 dot subtract for subtraction of for performing the arithmetic operation. Now I'm showing the after image subtraction here, and CV2 wait key for to wait till the limit, and after running it destroy all the windows. Now I am running this program. Here the two image, first image after subtraction image is here. Let me show some more clear way. Now sir, here it is the image 1 and image 2. After performing CV2 dot subtract of both image 1 and 2, the resultant image is here. Now after I am going for the second for multiplying two image. For multiplying two image, I have created a program mul. Now similarly I have importing the function CV library CV2 and numpy as num, and here again I am reading the two image IM1 2 and performing the CV2 dot multiply function, that is arithmetic function. After multiplying two images, let me send clear way more. I will show image 1 as img1, image 2 this is the image 1 and image 2. After applying the mathematical operation mul, here is the multiplying image. That's all about arithmetic operation. Now I am going for the geometric operation. Here I have done some mistake, maybe, sorry. I am going for the geometric operation. For geometric operation there are two parts, zoom and translation. For geometric function there is for two, zooming and translation. I am going for the zooming. Here it is my for zooming. I am importing the CV2 library, taking the image sample and printing the image shape and the dimension of the image. Here is the zooming variable how much you can want to zoom. That like I have given 150, I can give to 50%. Now here I am giving the for calculating the width and height. After that I am giving the dimension dim and putting this two value. After that I am resizing the image and putting the arguments in this function. After performing resizing, the resizing dimensions are here, and cv2 dot I am showing the image after resizing. Now I am running this program for zooming. Here you can see that here the original dimension is 181, 278 and 3 channel. After resizing, after zooming the image is here, dimension of 452, 695 of 250%. Now I am going for translation. Same as importing the libraries, taking the image, taking the height and width value and quarter height and quarter variable, quarter width height, width. Here I am taking this value through dividing value 4. Now I am calculating the float values and performing the translation function through a translation function cv2 dot wrap fin. Now cv2 I am showing original image and performing and translation image. After performing the image translation, this is the original image and this is the after performing the translational function cv2 dot wrap fin. This is about for geometric operation. Now I am going for statistical operation, standard deviation. For standard deviation I am importing the libraries cv2, numpy and mathmat. I am taking the image from reading the image, calculating the height and width value and copying ion. For copying the image I have created a pixel sum of pixel for equal to 0 for calculation of sums. Now I am using some nested loop function and storing this storing the functions, storing this value of pixels in sum of pixels. After calculating here mean, now I am calculating the square sum. Again I am using nested loop function to calculate the sum of square value. Here first calculating the standard deviation, I have to first calculate the variation. Here I have calculated the variation. Now after that to calculate standard deviation I have applied the standard deviation variance. Now printed this format. Let me run this program. Now here you can see that standard deviation of the image after applying the statistical operation 35.36 of this image i.jpeg. After that I am going for image interpolation up sampling. Here I am importing the library, I am reading the image. Before sampling image dots, I am showing the dimension of the image. After applying up sampling cv dot pyr up, it is used for up sampling. After performing up sampling, the image dimension is here and showing this image through cv.imshow. Now running this program. Here before sampling you can see that 17 dimension. After sampling the dimension is here and for image is here after performing the sampling operation. That's all about all questions. Thank you.